Problem number 15. When 30 gram of ethane was burnt, 1565 kilojoule of heat was liberated. The enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide and water are minus 395 kilojoule and minus 286 kilojoule respectively. Calculate the enthalpy of formation of ethane, that is C2H6. This problem is solved on the basis of the expression the heat of the reaction is equal to sum of enthalpy of formation of products minus sum of enthalpy of formation of reactant. And here we have to take into account the standard enthalpy of formation, and standard enthalpy of formation of all elements in the naturally occurring physical state is taken as 0. So wherever we come across the elements like oxygen, hydrogen in their physical state form, standard form, the enthalpy of formation will be 0, and for all other compounds value will be given. So in this problem the values are given for carbon dioxide and water. So the enthalpy of formation of ethane can be found out by from the data, that is heat of the reaction and also enthalpy of formation of the respective product and reactant. The problem is solved like this. The thermochemical equation is C2H6, that is gas, plus oxygen giving carbon dioxide and water. First we have to balance it. 2 carbon, therefore 2 CO2, and 6 hydrogen atom, put 3 H2O here. So carbon and hydrogen balanced now. Now count the number of oxygen atoms. So 2 into 2, 4, and 3 into 1, 3. So 4 plus 3, 7, and here we have O2. So better you write either 7 by 2 or 3.5 O2. So both are correct. This is also gas, and here is gas and liquid. Now the enthalpy of formation values of carbon dioxide is given. So here you write 2 into minus 395, and here 3 into minus 286 is given, 286. And for element in the naturally occurring physical state is taken as 0. So only C2H6 enthalpy of formation is left out, let it be X. And as per the mathematical expression, the heat of the reaction, the combustion reaction is given. For this reaction, combustion reaction, the value is given as 1565 kilojoule. So delta C refers to combustion is equal to minus 1565 kilojoule. So this is also equal to sum of standard enthalpy of formation of all product minus sum of standard enthalpy of formation of all reactants. This symbol denote the standard form. Now minus 1565 is equal to these two total we have to take, that is summation of standard enthalpy of formation of products. Here 2 moles of carbon dioxide and 3 moles of water are formed, and if we take the total it comes minus 1648 is your minus summation of standard enthalpy of formation of all reactant. So let it be X. So when we bring this to this side, so now it becomes delta standard enthalpy of formation of reactant is equal to minus 1648. Bring this to the other side, that becomes positive 1565. So this will give minus 8 minus 5 3 and 14 6 8, now 5 5. So minus 83 kilojoule. So this is equal to total enthalpy of formation of reactant, and the reactant oxygen is there, for that the value is 0. Therefore this value must belong to that C2H6. So in the problem it is asked standard enthalpy of formation of ethane. So the enthalpy of formation of ethane is minus 83 kilojoule, and you have to go for that option. Therefore the answer is minus 83 kilojoule per mole, minus 83. So go for that option.